Hello, automotive enthusiasts and high-performance car fans. Welcome back to our channel. Brace yourselves, because what you are seeing on your screen right now is a massive wave currently breaking the internet and taking social media by storm. This is a jaw-dropping look at a fan-made concept rendering of a legendary American muscle icon reborn, the 2027 Mustang Boss 429. Even though this is purely a conceptual design and not an official announcement from Ford, its hyper-aggressive styling and flawless details have left muscle car purists worldwide completely stunned. Let's dive straight into this video to explore every single mind-blowing element of this viral masterpiece. Let's start by looking at this truly dominant front profile of the beast, sitting low in an underground garage. The first thing that grabs your attention is the mesmerizing candy apple metallic red paint finish that catches the ceiling lights flawlessly. The elongated hood features massive muscular body lines, paying heavy tribute to the original 1969 Boss 429. The gloss black honeycomb grille proudly features the iconic illuminated white Mustang pony right in the center. Most impressively, the futuristic LED headlights are designed with sharp, jagged geometric patterns resembling a predatory gaze. Below that, a massive, race-inspired carbon fiber front splitter dominates the lower bumper, screaming high-speed aerodynamics and track readiness. As we pan across the side view, you can fully appreciate the absolute scale of the widebody kit. The front fenders are heavily flared, melting into deep functional side vents integrated right behind the front wheels to extract high-pressure brake air. The stance of this concept is incredibly slammed, creating a predatory ground-hugging look. The massive multi-spoke gloss black wheels are wrapped in ultra-low profile performance tires, filling out the arches perfectly and giving the muscle car an incredibly planted, unshakable presence. Now let's shift our gaze to the spectacular rear viewpoint, which looks absolutely breathtaking. The rear of this 2027 Mustang Boss 429 is a masterclass in retro-futuristic fusion. The iconic tri-bar taillights are brilliantly reimagined, kept deep within a dark recessed panel, but unified by an aggressive full-width LED light bar running along the upper edge. The center gloss black deck lid proudly displays the clean silver running pony badge. What anchors its aggressive look is the lower bumper, housing an extreme carbon fiber rear diffuser flanked by highly unique, massive quad square exhaust tips. This setup looks incredibly exotic and signals massive internal combustion power. Furthermore, the deep dish silver chrome rear wheels in this view contrast beautifully with the candy red paint. Let's step inside and inspect the cockpit together. This cockpit is an absolute sanctuary of high-end digital luxury and raw athletic design. The entire interior is wrapped in premium black Alcantara and fine leather, accented by sharp red contrast stitching and racing stripes down the sports seats. The crimson ambient lighting glowing along the door panels and dash creates an intensely focused driving environment. The flat-bottom steering wheel features a red 12 o'clock stripe and proudly bears the custom Boss 429 emblem on its base. Directly in front of the driver is a massive digital gauge cluster displaying full telemetry and rev counters. On the dashboard, 4 circular jet turbine-style air vents sit perfectly aligned above a wide central infotainment screen, displaying a dedicated Boss 429 startup graphic. The entire center tunnel and dash fascia are adorned in lightweight carbon fiber trim, hosting a chunky electronic shifter and tactical control toggles. The name Boss 429 historically refers to Ford's massive 429 cubic inch or 7-liter V8 engine. Therefore, if this 2027 concept were ever to hit production, it wouldn't be an EV. we can hypothetically dream of a modernized 7-liter supercharged V8 monster pumping out well over 900 to 1,000 horsepower to the rear wheels. The thunderous exhaust note from those quad square tips would shake the ground, while the ultra-wide track and aerodynamic bodywork ensure this modern muscle car tears through tracks and drag strips with ease. In conclusion, while this is purely an independent fan-made rendering born out of pure passion, it proves that the spirit of classic, unadulterated American muscle is completely immortal, even as the industry pivots heavily towards electrification. What are your thoughts on this viral 2027 Mustang Boss 429 concept? Do you prefer the predatory front look, the futuristic rear, or the high-tech cockpit? Let us know your opinions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, and hit subscribe to our channel for more exciting automotive content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.